Would you like to earn money easily and in a fairly simple way? Earn practically $1 in a minute? Obviously 10 minutes would be $10, and so we can increase, so stay, because I think this video is for you. As you see, I get a lot of emails from this page. The truth is that it even fills my inbox. It is an excellent opportunity to start earning, and the page is about yours. Soon here you will be able to be earning money in a fairly simple way, and as you can see, they pay 80 cents for a survey. It is very easy and good as it works, because you simply register, and here you begin to participate in the different offers that they offer you. Registering is quite simple. For this, you are going to use your email account, a password. Here you are going to solve those small kinds of problems. CAPTCHA: we accept terms and conditions, and once registered, you will simply touch login. The truth is that it is quite simple and quite similar to registration. We click here on enter, and as you see, here we see all the opportunities that we have our balance, and here, for example, we could make our withdrawal. Well, the truth is that in a fairly simple way. Now here you can change the language. Here it is, because obviously we also have it in Mexico, and well, it's basically the same to enter. Well, basically you are going to register here, and as you saw several countries available, we click here to enter, and now here the offers appear that are practically the same. Here are the different opportunities and how much you could be earning: 65 cents, 75, 95, 60, 70, 62, 99. Here is the dollar that I told you, 64. This pays you 2 cents per visit a website, 73.80, and we have the daily surface. For example, it will redirect to another page where you could earn your 70 cents. Now, how do you start? Well, basically launch a click, and as you see, it will load a page like this. Here we click OK, and as you can see, it loads the different surveys. For example, here they appear: 22 cents, 101 cents, 36, 444, and in fact there are other opportunities here. We could see even more, and so you can take a chance. Well, practically one good day starting. We are going to start, for example, with a basic survey: our age, our gender, educational level. There it is. Marital status. Here always put married. Current employment status: full-time employee. Gross annual income before taxes. There it is. What state we live in. Let's put Mexico zip code, and that's it. As you see, they already unlocked us with this. All the surveys here we can see, for example, that they are going to give us a boost. Okay, what is your monthly family income before taxes? Let's see. Here is continue, in which state we live. The truth is that you realize that it is the most basic, and usually they will always be asking you the same family monthly. To see it would be something more or less like this. Here it is. If we work in any of the industries here, I recommend you put several to see. Let's see which others are. Here it is, and ready. Job title. Let's see. There it is. The truth is that I'm telling you, these are the most basic questions. Honestly, I don't find much loss, and well, practically anyone can answer them. In addition to that, well, I am basically giving you the answers. So let's see telecommunication here, where you live, and see, and that's it. Select the option that best describes your family. Which of these words is not an animal? Okay, here to avoid the bots, and that's it. We already earn a bonus with which we will be earning more money. As you see, here it is: 222 cents, 10 cents, which is quite interesting to tell the truth. So for example, $2 in 15 minutes. This one pays a little less. We have this other one. The truth is that they are good offers. Here you can arrange them by time so that you can complete even the longest one, or for reward. As you can see, there are several quite good ones, but it's not like you're going to be winning every second. But at least this page offers you good opportunities with which you can be winning, and well, you're going to complete your offers, which in fact I think they pay even more than what is offered here, and then you are going to withdraw here. Here you are going to be able to see your transactions, your personal data, and here you could invite your friends to do so. You are simply going to copy the link, you are going to send it to them, and that's it. Start earning with your friends. The truth is that I think it is an excellent opportunity to start generating. Above all, what I tell you, the truth is that quite a few emails like this usually arrive where I see a lot of offers available to complete surveys, and with that, obviously be earning more money. But tell me what you think of this new method. Leave me your comments in the description so I know what you think. Until next time.